Is this still the most customizable ROM out there for the Android users? If you love to use some customs on your devices and you need some customizations, and if you are in these customs lines from maybe past 6 to 7 years, most probably, then this might be you already know about this custom called Resurrection Remix. I used this ROM first time based on Android version 5, which was Lollipop, and it was great in the terms of customization. Is this still in the terms of these competition things? Is this still one of the best customization based custom right now? Let's find out these things and let's find some customizations which you get in Resurrection Remix. And yes, this is based on Android 10. We're not talking about Android version 11 or Android 12. These are some customizations which we have: status bar, panel, system interface, lock screen, animation, miscellaneous, etc. These are some customizations. But if you enter into these customizations, you might probably got to know that it has insane number of customizations like a lot. Yes, right now Ancient OS and maybe Dubfest OS, Cherish OS, a lot more customs are available which has better features than this one. But Resurrection Remix, even though based on Android version 10, has all those features which you need right now in these custom rooms. I think so it's great. Some cool and interesting features are already included, and I think so you can give it a try if you want to. I'm using the unofficial version Redmi Note 8. By the way, you can use the official version, unofficial versions, the official website link, everything is in the description. You can check out XDA if your device has support for that. You can see some customization in status bar, carrier label, status bar, weather, gestures, a lot more things. In the quick settings panel, you can customize the rows and columns, smart pull down and quick setting, background, styles, animation, tint tiles, and we have the default colors editing, panel theming, RGB mode, a lot more things to customize on a device. Which means if you are a user who love to use some customizations on your devices, you can customize like a pro. And why I'm using and why I think Resurrection Remix is best, because it's quite old, and in my opinion, it's just my opinion, that Resurrection Remix has better stability alongside with the customizations. If you compare it with other custom rooms, it's just my opinion, it's just my preference. It's unfortunate that Resurrection Remix is not available for the Redmi Note 10 Pro users, because Redmi Note 10 Pro was released with Android version 11, so of course unfortunately no Android version 10 based customs available for that device. But the devices which have Android 10 based Resurrection Remix ROMs available for you, make sure to check out that. I know that Resurrection Remix is a little bit old because right now Android 12 based customs are coming, and Resurrection Remix does not even have Android version 11. But yes, it's just about your preference. If you still want to use it, I just want to let you know about this Resurrection Remix as still one of the most customizable custom rooms out there. Or basically, I'm not comparing it, but I think so it's good. It has a lot of customizations. If you need some customization, you can see some gaming mode customizations are also there. A lot more things are here. I think so it has almost everything what you need in a custom room. If you want to give it a try, you can. I will provide you the link in the description to install this Resurrection Remix on your device. This is one of this short and simple video. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.